to the practice room. Today we're gonna go over Happy Birthday song, and this time we're gonna go over the chords. Our chords that we need to learn for Happy Birthday is the G chord, the D7 chord, and the C chord. For the G chord, I'm gonna push down with my third finger on the third fret of the first string, then my second finger on the third fret of the sixth string, and then my first finger on the second fret of the fifth string. For the D7 chord, I'm going to push down with my third finger on the second fret of the first string. I'm going to push down with my second finger on the second fret of the third string, and my first finger on the first fret of the second string. And I'm going to strum from the fourth string down. For the G, I'm strumming from the sixth string down. And the last chord you need to learn is the C chord. The C chord, you're going to start with your third finger on the third fret of the fifth string, then your second finger on the second fret of the fourth string, then your first finger on the first fret of the second string. For here, you're going to play from the fifth string down. Now the strumming pattern for the Happy Birthday song. The strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. That's the strumming pattern. Now I'm going to count it and play the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep in mind that on 3 I'm going down, up, so it's a 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1. Now for this Happy Birthday song, we have a few things to keep in mind. We do have what we call a guide finger. We could guide with my third finger from the G chord to the D7. So if I'm going from my G with my third finger, I could guide down to the second fret. And from the D7, I could guide again the same finger for the G. So I'm going to play the first line in rhythm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. The second system, we start with G again for two measures, for measure 4 and measure 5. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. Then for measure 6, we go to C. 1, 2. And remember, we have a fermata here, so we're gonna sustain. We're gonna let it ring for a little bit before we move on to beat 3. 3 and then to G for beat 1, beat 2, and for D for beat 3. 3 and 1 for the last measure. So in rhythm it sounds like this. Second line, second system, measure 4. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. One last thing to remember. When you start, you're waiting for happy. You start on birth. So happy birth. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to you. I do apologize for my singing. I am not a singer. I'm just trying to keep rhythm and saying the text. Hope you enjoyed it.